the hardest parts of Forex can be getting over the fear of losing money. Now, once you can actually get rid of that fear, that's when you can really take control of your trading. That's when everything really starts to come together. But how do we get rid of this fear of losing money? Now, there's a few good ways to actually do this. If you watch till the end, I'm going to be giving away and exposing some of my secret psychology tips that have helped me in my trading career. Okay. So you want to know how to change your trading mindset and get over the fear of losing money. Okay, so step one is going to be lose money. See, losing money is a part of the process. Now, you don't have to actually lose a lot of money, but losing money is one of the steps. And no matter who you are, no matter how good you are at anything else in life, when getting into Forex, you're going to lose some sort of money at some point. If you've already moved to that step and you've lost some sort of money, now you can actually move on to the next step. And if you haven't started trading yet and you haven't lost any money yet, trust me, you're going to go through some sort of loss at some point. Now, see, the problem in trading is most people are on this step. They're on this step where they're losing money, but a lot of people don't actually know how to move past it. So today I'm going to break that down for you. So one of the first key tips that I have, and something that's going to help you a lot, is to start recognizing your trading as percentages rather than amount. So if you're looking at every single dollar amount and you're focused on the dollar and never the actual percent, that's where you're going to lose a lot of your money. And if you want to change that, looking at every single trade you take, looking at every single amount you make as a percentage rather than a dollar amount, this is going to help to start actually changing your mindset. And this is the first step, because we actually want to detach ourselves from the feeling that we're trading money, and rather that this is a career about percentages, because that's what it all comes down to. So for example, now if you're trading with real money or demo, you want to start slowly every single day that you're trading, slowly start to detach yourself from the dollar amount and focus more on percentages. So something you can do to practice that is start by having a percentage amount that you're looking to make. So let's say for each trade that you take, let's say you have a $100 account, you see that $100 account as 100% of what you have. And let's say when you're taking a trade, your goal is to make 1% of what you have. If you have a $100 account, make your goal to make $1, because that is 1% of your account. So if you can focus on the percentage and less on the money, you're going to become a better trader. Because most of you, if not all of you, when you're taking a trade, and let's say you have a $100 account, you're going to make $1. And most of you, I'm sure, have made $1 and been like, that's not a lot. Let's hold this trade on for longer. Let's aim for more, etc. So rather than seeing this trade as, wow, I just made 1% on my account, which is actually a big amount because that's scalable. Once you have a $100,000 account, that's going to be $1,000 for one trade. But you don't see it like that. You're seeing it as money. So you're looking at it as, oh, $1, that's not that much. Let's hold on to this trade longer. Let's aim for more. And that's where you start to encounter more and more losses. So something to practice is to focus more on percentages. So if you're trading with a $100 live account, start focusing on making the percent that you want. So make that 1%, make that be your goal for the day. And another thing to talk about now is tuition. So for every career that you get into that requires some sort of school or some sort of training or some sort of programming, everything comes with a price. Whether you're going to college or you're taking some sort of program or some online course or online training, you're going to have to pay a tuition price. And trading comes with that tuition price. So you can learn everything for free online. But when it comes down to actually trading, it's going to cost you some sort of money towards the learning experience, because every learning experience comes with some sort of price, whether it be time and effort, whether it be money, whether it be pain, whatever it is, it's going to come with a price to learn. And that's just the fact. But in Forex, when you're losing money, it's a part of the learning process, and that's a part of your tuition. Every time you lose $1, that dollar goes to a learned lesson and a learned experience that will actually forge you into the trader that you want to be someday. So that goes to say, if you want to become a better trader, every time you lose some sort of money, make make sure you go back and you study and you learn from that, because you don't want to be paying these prices for no absolute reason. Every time you lose a dollar, you don't want to be losing a dollar for no reason. Every time you lose $10, you don't want to lose it for no reason. You want every dollar that you lose to be a learned lesson, to be something you can learn from and something that you can change from. Now, obviously, as you trade, you're going to encounter losses. Not every loss is exactly a lesson, but in the beginning stages, a lot of losses are going to be from lessons. So it's okay to lose in the beginning. That's just the price of tuition. That's what it's going to cost. Okay, now I'm excited to tell you about the last final tip. This is something that has changed my trading psychology forever. But before we get to the tip, if you guys are looking for a new broker, or you're looking for a broker that may be more reliable and more reputable, I would highly recommend signing up with AAAFX. They are a regulated broker. AAAFX is a great broker. They're offering a really good deal right now. So if you sign up with AAAFX, for every $100 that you deposit, you're going to get an extra $30 on top of that. Now that's going to be added to your account. So let's say you're trading and you encounter, a $30 loss on your $100 account. What's great now is that just what we were talking about, taking those losses, now you get a free $30 loss that's going to be covered by AAAFX. So not only are you learning from that loss, but you're actually not going to be losing your money. So go ahead and sign up with AAAFX. Take advantage of that bonus right now. If you'd like to sign up, my link will be down in the description below. Okay, so you guys have been waiting along now and you want to get to the final tip and you want to know what will really help your psychology. So if you've practiced demo, good for you. That's the first step. You need to practice demo. You need to practice demo trading. This is going to get you familiar with how to trade. You might even feel that demo trading is even easier, and you might even feel that you're better with demo than you are with real money. You might feel that you actually trade better with demo, and the fact is you're right. How can we transfer or get that same experience with demo? How do we get that with live trading? And this is what I really sat down and I thought about for a long time in my beginning stages. I knew that I traded a lot better with demo than I did with real money. So it's like, how can you get that same feeling trading demo that you can get with trading live? And how can we slowly morph that into our live trading to get very comfortable in that feeling? Well, at some point we have to start live trading, but we have to start small. So imagine for a minute that trading is like skiing and you want to get into skiing and you don't know what you're doing. This is your first time learning. If we start right away on the biggest hill, we're going to take a lot of losses. We're going to take a lot of falls, and it's probably not going to work out the best for us. Now, if we start with the basics and start on the smallest hill, we can then learn the basics, and every fall or every loss that we're going to take is going to be significantly smaller and less damaging to the learning process. And then only then, once we become comfortable on the smaller ski hill, then we can actually move to a bigger hill. So that way, when we do take losses and we do take some of these falls, we know what to do because we've been through it before, and we'll be more comfortable. And we also won't be so scared to take a fall or to take a loss. And I think that's key, because a lot of people are very scared when they're trading, and they're scared to take losses or scared to take falls. And that can lead to people making poor decisions overall, affect their learning experience. So that basically translates to starting with a smaller account. You want to pick an amount of money that you are very comfortable with losing, whether that be $1, $10, $100, whatever you're okay with losing. That is the amount that you have to trade with, but you have to make sure it's live funds, because if you're trading demo, it's not going to be the same. We all know that, but we want to get the same feeling. So we got to start small. Now, if you're comfortable with losing $10, then put in $10. We want to trade with an amount that almost feels like a demo account to us. And now it's important to remember, in this stage, we're not trying to make money. We're only trying to learn and become consistent with, like I said earlier, learning the percentages and making the percentages that we want, targeting those percentages, because then only once you're able to do that, then you'll be able to get funded accounts, let's say up to $100,000, and do the exact same thing just with a bigger amount, which, if we're not looking at the amount, won't affect us anyways. So it's really important to get comfortable with this small amount. That way, any challenges that we'll have to face in the future, we'll be comfortable and we'll know that it's just all about percentages and we know what we're doing. Okay, so hopefully that helped you guys with some trading psychology tips. This is something that has helped me significantly. I'd really like to see you guys actually go ahead and apply this. If you sign up with AAA FX, it's also going to benefit you even more because you're going to get more money that you can be okay with losing. So go ahead and sign up down below. And yeah, thanks for watching.